What's up guys, this is Sama and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I have just got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy A50 and I'm going to unbox this phone in this video. You can see the Galaxy A50 box here. On the box we can see this picture of the Galaxy A50 with the Galaxy A50 written on it. On the left side we have the Galaxy A50 written once again. At the bottom of the box we have the color details of this phone. This one in my hands right now is the blue color and its model number is A505F/DS. At the back we have some technical details of this phone. You can see that this phone comes with Infinity U display. It has a triple camera at the back and it comes with the on-screen fingerprint scanner. It supports 4G LTE octa-core processor is there. It has a display of 6.4-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED screen. 25MP plus 5MP plus 8MP triple shooters are there. On the front it has a 25MP camera fixed right inside that water drop notch. It has the internal storage of 128GB and its RAM is of 4GB. Here we can see the warranty card of this phone. So without any further ado, let's get into the box of the Galaxy A50 now. So guys, the Galaxy A50 is out of its box now. First of all, we will take a look at this compartment. Here we have a small box including some accessories, I guess. So here we have this silicone case of the Galaxy A50 and then we have some technical documentation of the phone in multiple languages and some information about the warranty card. Hopefully you are not going to need this information. If you are feeling like you have too much of time, you can definitely read it. And here we have some IMEI for warranty claim, and then we have the Galaxy A50, and once again the wrapper reads Infinity U display, triple camera, on-screen fingerprint, and at the back you can see this beautiful blue Galaxy A50. Let's pull it out of the wrapper now. So here we go, this is the all new Galaxy A50. And this blue color is actually very much different from the previous Samsung Galaxy phones like the Galaxy A7 and the other Galaxy A phones. I like this new blue color. So guys, we will take a look at this phone in a while, a detailed look in fact. Let's check out other accessories of the box first. Here we have Samsung's proprietary adaptive fast charger, and then we have the USB Type-C cable for the Galaxy A50. And here we have the ordinary Samsung headphones for the phone, and at the bottom of this box we have the SIM eject tool. We can just pull it out. So it's time to take a detailed look on the phone now. First of all, you can see that it's a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. Here we have the water drop notch at the top holding the front 25 megapixel shooter. On the left side of the phone we have this SIM card slot. We can just take a look at the SIM card slot as well. So here is the SIM card slot with a dedicated slot for the micro SD card, and you can insert two SIM cards in this tray. And at the bottom we have the headphone jack first of all, and then we have the USB Type-C cable, and after that we have the speaker grill, and there is an extra mic for noise cancellation, I guess. On the right side we have the volume rockers and we have the power button. At the back we have three cameras. These cameras include a normal shooter, a depth sensor and an ultra wide shooter, and at the top of this phone we just have another mic. So guys, without any further ado, let's turn this phone on to take a look at how its software and everything else looks. The Galaxy A50 has finally booted up, and it's a really beautiful phone. I can tell you that by the very first look. It comes with the latest Android Pie, and you can see the One UI here on this phone. This phone is equipped with all the latest features including the all new night mode as well. So let's check out its fingerprint scanner. First of all, we can just go to the settings of this phone, and then we can go to biometrics and security, and we can go to fingerprints. We can set up a temporary pin for this purpose, and then we can check out how this optical fingerprint reader works on the Galaxy A50. It's a budget phone, that's why we do not have the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner here. So let's check it out. So the fingerprint scanner has been added now, and we can just check how it works. So guys, it turns out that the fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy A50 is really slow. A lot of users have reported about this phone's fingerprint scanner to be not as responsive as other phones. And just today, Samsung has also announced that it will update the performance of the fingerprint scanner with the help of a new software update. We expect the Galaxy A50's fingerprint scanners to improve with time. So this is how you are going to use it for now. The next thing I would like to check on this phone is its camera. I will launch the camera now. Here you can see that we have the wide and the standard shooting modes. This is how it looks when you press the wide mode. It zooms out pretty well, and here we have the standard mode. And then we have the live focus in this phone too. We can adjust how much blur we want to add to the background. We have the pro mode, the panorama mode, and we have all the modes for videos. There is the slow motion, hyperlapse. Let's check out the front camera now. For the front camera, we have the live focus too, and this live focus also offers the blur mode. Here you can see all the filters for the camera, and here are the settings for the camera application. So guys, that's pretty much it about the Galaxy A50's unboxing. I will soon do a comparison between the Galaxy A50 and some phones of Huawei, and also with the other Galaxy A30. Stay tuned for the comparisons. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. I will see all of you with another one really soon.